back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ida and this is my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and I love you. Kindly like, share and subscribe and comment down below. So guys, today is on Saturday in the evening, and of course I have scissors, and if you see scissors in this channel, you know it's an unboxing. Yeah, so I want to unbox something, a package. Ooh. It's something I've wanted for a long time, and I'm so glad I finally got it. So yeah, welcome to this vlog, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you guys for being so supportive on my channel, viewing my videos, even though they are like 15 minutes plus, and that is so thoughtful of you people. Kindly continue liking, sharing and subscribing, and yes, unbox with me my blender. Oh my god, I'm so childish. Yeah. So apparently I had already fungwa, and one thing about this blender, this one is in blue, as you can see from here. There's a black and white one. I really wanted that because inge match na a lot of things in my house, like my cookware and my gas, and like, you know, I don't want to have like a lot of colors in my kitchen. But again, I remembered I can have this blue one, and when I have enough money I can buy the black and white one because quite shinga. Anyway guys, this is my blender and I love it. Like bro, I'm not your mate. So this is how it looks, and it's I think it's this is 1.5, I think 1.5 liters. Yeah, 1.5 liters. Yeah. So of course kuna hii ni ya kumeasure. I think these are in milliliters. Yeah, I still don't get why. Anyway, let me acha irrigation. Oh my goodness. Aya, then kuna hii bro. So this is how the interior looks, and we have this small grinder. The reason as to why I majorly opted for this is because the black one kwanza, it had like a minor issue, and one of my major reasons why I opted for this grinder was because I want you to check this out. Okay, guys, okay, I still don't know how to do this shit, so bear with me. Okay, but I don't want to spoil anything here, but bro, like, how am I supposed to? At this point, I need help, bro. Okay, how am I supposed to like remove this stuff? Because this is now frustrating. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, I think I'll just read the manual book. I'll read the manual book and like have an insight of what I should be doing. But I really hope you can see. Unaona venye uko ndani inaka ni kama thermos. Yeah, that's the major reason. And then it has this big glass kunje. So that's one of the major reasons why I opted for this one. And then of course the manual. No, this is a warrant, and this manual book. I think I have to read that manual book. Opening that blender is, so it's in blue. Blue is not one of my favorite colors, but again, here we are. So this is the other parts of the blender, and I think it's good. Yeah, it's nice. I can't wait to use this blender. I can't wait to start taking. I hope you guys are seeing me. I can't wait to start drinking smoothies. Bro, prepare to be sick of me because I didn't come to play, girl. So yeah, iko hivi. So let me try. So this is how the blender looks like. Like if we assume, bro, I'll have to read that manual. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be looking. I really hope you can see. And then yeah, I don't think any Oh, kuna hii stuff ya ku hey, you people are not ready for me. People are not ready for me. So yeah, and it's the box obviously. So this, I think it's like a yako. Yeah, if you've ever used a blender, you know what this is. So yeah, that was my unboxing vlog, and I really want to vent, but it's at night and I want to cook and I want to try out this blender and figure out venye inafaifanya and everything. But yeah, I think I'll vent in the morning because tomorrow is Sunday and I have all the time. So see you tomorrow. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I love you so much. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is on Sunday. I just woke up and I have a couple of errands and things to do around. I want to do some laundry and then wash my dishes, clean my house because today is Sunday and Sunday reset. So I'm going to do a thorough cleaning around the house and everything, kila kitu, and then I'm supposed to go and there's set a package. There's something I'm supposed to go and check. Kama wamefungua. I think I'll take it. Kama bado, then I'll have to wait till they fungua. I really hope they do fungua. The problem is on Sundays most people don't open, so I really don't know. What else? I'm also thinking of, oh, someone asked me, thank you for watching the vlog, and I really hope you watched yesterday's vlog. Yeah, it's yesterday's vlog. So remember to like, share, and subscribe on that vlog and comment. So far we are at 29 to 30 views, but I hope we get to 50 plus. And like, it goes a long way, guys. I really hope you can hear me. So someone was asking me, how comes my perfumes last for 3 to 4 months? And my perfumes last for 3 to 4 months because kwanza, it's not one perfume, there are 3 perfumes. So when I don't, alafu they smell so nice and they stay long on your body, so I don't overspray. So moja hapa, then here, and then here to complement like its scent. And then I also have body splash and body mist. So sometimes I don't choose my, or maybe I use one perfume and then the body splash that's the one. So, and I also have that sweet Camilla and pink chiffon. So yeah, my perfumes last that long, and I feel for that long. And some days I don't use my perfumes. Literally, I forgot. Kama sai Sunday, when I bathe, I'm just at home. I'll just bathe and then just put on my body splash and then you go, because I'm not going anywhere or I'm not gonna meet anyone. So yeah, you could try it. Because it's financially what? I don't know. Yeah, but if I use like those perfumes for a month, I'm not a bank or an accountant or the wife of the president, I beg. So yeah, just work within your means. But if it can work for you, like, it depends. Me, I'm someone, as long as the perfume is sweetening me, I have a problem with migraines when it comes to over perfuming. So I really try not to, yeah. So that's why I just try. And remember, less is more. So I don't want to overdo and then choke the people around me. So yeah, less works for me. I really hope it also does for you. That's why my perfumes last for that long. But also I complement them with body splashes and the rest. So yeah, you could try it. So see you when I do my laundry. After sorting out the piles, so these are the colored clothes and these are the white, cream, and yeah. And then these are my shoelaces and socks, handkerchiefs, and those are my shoes. Let's get to work. So yeah, I'm done after centuries, and yeah, at least all my clothes are clean now. I've washed my house, deep cleaned. I've washed all my shoes, arranged my closet, um, cleaned my shoe rack and everything, and my house is sparkling clean. So I want to cook, eat, then yeah. See you when you see me. My bed is cute, by the way. Can you see it? And then I just realized this color almost wants to it almost looks like a monochrome of this couch. So let me show you. That's how it looks like, and it's not white. It's not white. It's I don't know. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's not white. I don't know why in a car white, but you see, this is white and this is not white. But kuna venye zinaoana. And that's YouTube channel. So today is on I really don't know. Let me This is on the 2nd of March. It's on Thursday. Happy new month, guys. And I really have nothing like nothing essential to tell you, but I just wanted to come here and say hi to people. I really don't like the quality of my camera at the moment. What's happening? So yeah, it's in the morning. It's literally at goodness, I'm a mess today. It's literally at 9 and I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, but it's nothing serious. It's just and I'll be okay. Like in a few, I've taken medication, so I'm waiting for the drugs to work, and my skin is acting out. Bro, look at this. Bro, look at this. This is a mess, y'all. Goodness, this is a mess. But anyway, I'll take care of this later on. And my sunscreen also, Elisha. Okay, it's Elisha, but it's about to collapse. Like, iko karibu kuisha. And I really don't know, like, can you guys recommend sunscreens that are a bit affordable? I was thinking of buy The Ordinary. But The Ordinary is a 10 bob, or La Roche-Posay, or Paula Choice, but those sunscreens are not cheap. So, but before I buy those ones, because yeah, before I buy those ones, and the Nivea one, I think the Nivea one, the one I'm using, is a bit expensive than The Ordinary. The problem with The Ordinary, it's so little, but it's a bit cheap compared to the Nivea one. But I don't know, just recommend the sunscreens you guys use and if they really work. something I can use like in the next 2 weeks or 3 or a month before I redeem myself and get myself a really nice sunscreen. Also, what else? What else? What has been going on? Apart from school, my life has not been as interesting. Yeah, it's a new month, and honestly, I just want to go home. I miss my mom, I miss my dad, I miss my brothers and my sister and Carol, and I miss home. I just want to go home, and I can't at the moment because I'm in school, and there's a lot going on, and I have to wait till school break for me to go back to school. I have assignments that I do tomorrow, and here I am vlogging instead of, oh goodness, goodness, here I am vlogging instead of doing my assignments, but I'm going to work on that. Sai. Oh, guys, I'm not feeling well. I'm really sick. I don't even want to cry. So yeah, and apart from that, yeah, it's cleaning my home. One thing about my house, like, see, you guys know when I shuka barabara, and then kuna a lot of vumbi around where I stay. So, and my house is well ventilated, by the way, and lighting and everything. So, and I have a balcony, so everything just your vumbiote deposits itself on my balcony, and then upepo ikikuja inaingia kwa nyumba. It's not a mess, but sometimes, most of the time, I have to like wash my house every day, which to some point is tedious because it's not like nachafuanga, but sasa juu I'm one person. I'll wash my house like nikiosha leo, sitosha kesho, I'll wash that evil. Like I alternate days, but since I have to do that every day because of the vumbi, and you never know, wageni hukuja anytime. Plus my balcony is one of my favorite parts in this house, so it has to stay clean like around the clock, yeah. So yeah guys, that's me, and I really hope you're having a fantastic time. I really hope you are okay or well. Take care of yourselves. If you're going through something, kindly talk to someone, and at the end of the day, mashida zitakuwa like shida zitaisha. I really hope you have a great day ahead of you and a great weekend. If you read this far, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And remember, watch for a minimum of 5 minutes or 10. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Share to your friends, your boyfriends, your family, yeah, colleagues. Bye. See you. I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. Bye.